Hey everybody, it is Dan with Alpha Traders. We are here now with Apple. Gone over the Qs, gone over ES, and now we're going over Apple. So obviously Apple followed a lot of other names in the sell-off. And again, I draw these lines for you live while I'm recording this. As you can see, there's previous uh, price action over here. Obviously, you're looking at it closed on the lows. It won't open on the lows most likely. Um, I would love a retest of 166 to get into a short. Premiums are going to be a little higher, remember, because of earnings on Thursday. Thank you, TradingView. Um, so it might be a little tough to play Apple this week up until earnings report. I Netflix. I gave you guys the plan. Told you exactly what I was gonna do. Actually didn't buy Netflix. I was gonna buy puts, as you guys know, and I didn't do it. I don't know why. I just didn't. Um, but I'm planning on playing puts on tech all the way through here. I think it's a pretty safe play. If Netflix is gonna go down 20% in a day, I would expect that other big tech names, and especially any growth names that report, are gonna go down at least 5 to 6%. I mean, that's a quarter of that is 5 to 6%. So I would expect that from now on. I think it's a lot of good buying opportunities and good names like Tesla, Nvidia, even though Nvidia is not reporting this week. Um, LRCX, which we'll do a video on here in a minute. But going back to Apple, you're looking at what's 162.30. I will attempt to get 162.30 on there. I got 162.31. It's just I think we again, I know the market won't do it because they like to mess with people, but the 164, 164, 165 area here is a good place to short, in my opinion, to get back down to here. We'll see, just because it has earnings, people are going to be positioning in and out of it. So it might chop a little more than other things. I'm actually not going to play Apple until probably Thursday into earnings. I'll buy puts. I'm going to execute that plan today or this week and go from there. But the 200 looks pretty good. 150 area, if you remember, that was a huge area for a long time. The 150 area is a lot of congestion. There's a lot of break even supply here. So if they lose this, if they lose that 150 I would 100%. Um, we can see this at 150. I'm sorry, this is the 100 day. My fault. Um, this is the 100. This is the 200. So I'm actually expecting Apple to get to 150 this week after earnings. I would expect it to chop, chop, chop up here, and then if there's a really big down day, I would short it as well. But I'm thinking, Thursday, right at about 258 Central, we're gonna short the heck out of that thing and watch it run down to 150. So good luck.